Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, we will be learning how to turn off vibration in Clash Royale. To turn off vibration or haptic feedback on Clash Royale, first of all, open the Clash Royale app on your device and from the home screen, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top right corner. Now in the expanded pop-up, click on Settings. Inside Settings, tap on More Settings and then tap the button right next to haptic feedback. Make sure that it is labeled as off in red, and right after you turn that off, you will be able to disable vibration on Clash Royale. So that's it for today's video. If you found it to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Clash Royale tips and tricks. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.